So we have here a chemical reaction that the question is asking, what is the oxidizing agent? So in order to do that, we need to first figure out the oxidation numbers for all the atoms in this equation. And then we can figure out what's being oxidized and what's being reduced. And then from that, we can deduce what is the oxidizing agent. So going through this a little bit quickly, I will just put the oxidation numbers above all these atoms here, but I highly recommend going back and figuring out how to figure those out. So the oxidation number for hydrogen is +1, a +5 for the nitrogen, and +5 for the nitrogen, and a -2 for the oxygens. Copper over here is 2 plus. Oxygen here, -2, and the nitrogen would be a +2. Oxygen, once again, -2, hydrogen +1. So those are the oxidation numbers. And then we will use these oxidation numbers to help us figure out what has gained electrons and what has lost electrons. So we see on the left side of the equation, our solid copper has an oxidation number of 0. And then when we come and compare the copper on the other side, you see the oxidation number is +2. So that means the copper atom on the product side has lost electrons. And by definition, that means it has been oxidized. And then when we take a look at the nitrogen in the nitric acid here, we see it's a +5, and now what is it? A +2. And so that means it has gained electrons. So by definition, that means it has been reduced. So now that we've identified what has been oxidized and what has been reduced, if something has been reduced, then that means it is the oxidizing agent. And if something has been oxidized, then that means it is the reducing agent. I hope that helps.